They've got to go around the building one time. And the finish line is at the fire hydrant.
Feel the thunder, smell the speed of a burning